Hello crafters, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be filming a haul, and this is showing everything I bought on my recent trip to France. And I got a lot of different things. I got stamps, I got paper, I got a very good deal on markers and a lot of sewing and embroidery supplies. I can't wait to show this to you, so just keep watching. So, the first thing I bought was paper. I'm sorry, I have to get it out of the plastic. And the first paper I got is this Clairefontaine Graphite 90 gram 41 pound sketching paper, and this is just to draw, and it's not for card making, but it's just to draw, and it's pretty. It's kind of thin paper, but you can tear it out, and it was pretty cheap compared to the other ones, and I just love the colours of the cover. You could have it in, I think, blue, yellow, green, but I got it in pink because I just thought it was really nice. And the second one I got is again Clairefontaine, and this is actually for watercolouring, and I got this just because again it was the cheapest, and it's £115 or 250 grams per square metre, which is pretty thick, and I'm going to be using it for watercolouring on cards. It's not the thickest paper I've got, but I think it should be able to hold the withstand the water I'll put on it, so hopefully. And it has a very nice grain. It's almost a bit patterned. I don't think you can see it, but it's very nice grained. Okay, the next thing I got is this stamp set, and they had so many stamp sets in the shops. They had, since I last came, they got my favourite things in Lawn Fun in the shops, and I literally had so many things in my basket, but I just had to get rid of so much of them because I couldn't afford them. They're really expensive. This was like €20 for a stamp set, and the dies were like €27, which was just, I can't. And this was the best one. I was also going to buy this Lawn Fun, the dinosaur set, maybe the Easter set, the fairy set, and the little fish tank set, but I didn't. And they also, in my favourite things, they had a unicorn and maybe flamingos. I was going to get that, but I didn't. I just got this. I saw this on the internet and I thought it was the cutest thing on this world. And it's a very old stamp set. I'm not sure when it's from, but I know that's quite old. This is my first MFT, or My Favourite Things product, and I cannot wait to use this. These otters are so cute, and I'm surely going to be doing a 1 stamp 5 cards on this, so stay tuned for that. Can't wait to do it. The next thing I got were these markers, and I got these in a little discount shop that they have in France, and they had just these markers and more of the same colour, but I got these, and these were €1 for 3, and if you don't know pro markers, normally they're €3 for 1. That's about the average, so I got 6 for the price of 2/3 of a marker. Yeah, I saved about €16, so I'm very happy with myself. And the colours I got, there's 3 of cornflower and 3 of Arctic blue, and then I saw they had a lighter colour, but I didn't get it just because I didn't know it was going to be complicated to buy it. So I just got these, and I'm really happy and proud of myself because these are a great bargain, and thank God it's blue. You can make a sky or whatever with it. So can't wait to use those, and we'll definitely add to my marker collection. Next thing I got were these styrofoam reeds. They make a lot of noise actually, but these were about $1.50 each, and normally they're about €3, and I'm going to kind of and bought them for Christmas. I know it's like 8 months till Christmas, but whatever. I'm going to make wreaths this year again, and I can't wait to do it. And they were the cheapest the cheapest wreaths I ever found. Yeah. So anyway, the next thing I got was this little thread. It's gold, and I thought it'd be very nice for embroidery. You can see I'm doing a lot of embroidery on my channel recently, and if you didn't check out my recent video, go check it out. Here it is, my most viewed video in about 2 months. I'm so over the moon. I'm very shocked. Thank you to everyone who watched it and interacted with it in a way, and let's get to 10,000 views before soon. So thanks for that. Watch it up here. So anyway, I got this little kind of copper thread, and I thought it'd be very nice for embroidery, and I'm doing a lot of that recently. Next, I bought this fabric, and this is, I'm actually really getting to start doing a lot of sewing, and this was a beautiful fabric. It was also very cheap. It's very African inspired. I love it so much, and I actually made some trousers for my sister with it, like pajama pants or something like that, and it's really a nice fabric pattern. I think it's so beautiful, and I have enough left to make something else. I might make, I don't know what I'll make. Maybe it'd be very nice for pillows, maybe a bit much, but I don't know. I really like it, and I can't wait to use it, and it was actually quite cheap as well, and it's very good quality. The next things I got, I didn't buy. Actually, I got these from my grandmother, so merci mamie, and these are some things she gave me. She was actually really into sewing, and she just doesn't use these things anymore, so I thought I'd use them, so hopefully I'll use them, and she gave them to me. Anyway, first thing is this beautiful lace, and as you can see here, it's black. I don't know what I'll use it for, but it's be beautiful for mixed media, sewing, edges of pillows, anything. That's, yeah, the first lace I got, and I don't know what I'll do with it, but hopefully I'll find something. Next is this lace, and it kind of reminds me of windows, and it's beautiful. It might be handmade, but I'm not sure. No, it probably isn't, but it's very nice. You can see these little flowers on it. It'd be beautiful for like a belt if it was thickened or something, so I'll definitely try and use those. She also gave me this silver border, so I'll use that, and also this fabric. This is kind of a cheesecloth material. I kind of bought it more for mixed media and kind of more home. I got it for home projects, but it's very nice, and I think it'd be beautiful on some mixed media projects. Not that I do that at all. Next is this, is it jersey? I'm not sure, I'm really beginner to this, but it's very nice, and I think it'd be beautiful for, I don't know, trousers or something. Next is this very colourful fabric. I think it'd be beautiful again for a dress or those trousers, and it is this orange. It's kind of very 60s. I love it. Next is kind of an influx of embroidery thread. This is some of it. So this is I don't even know the brand of embroidery thread. Cartier-Bresson. I don't know. It's embroidery thread. What else do you need to know? And if you don't already, I'm doing a lot of embroidery, and I'm really enjoying my embroidery pen, and I can't wait to use this maybe on more of these kind of hoops where it uses up a lot of thread and you really see the colour of the thread, and it's also very good for practicing. Anyway, that's just a fraction of what the embroidery thread I got. This is a whole bag of embroidery thread. There must be at least 500 in here. I don't know how she got it. And these are normally really expensive. So, thanks, merci mamie again. Thanks for all of that. I'm really happy. These greens, and finally these kind of more vivid colours. If you have any ideas on how to store embroidery thread in a nice way that kind of keeps it all organised, and that keeps like 500 embroidery thread things together, colours together in a nice organised way, please tell me down below. I really need it, because these bags, I don't think it's going to cut it for me, but it'd be nice if I could like display them a bit. But look, we'll see all about that. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Tell me down below what you'd like me to make. Do you want me to make more sewing videos, more embroidery videos? That's definitely very popular. I'll definitely be doing that. Is there anything, if you have any questions, please tell me down below, and like, comment and especially subscribe to my channel. I'm really close to 500 subscribers, and it'll mean the world to me when I get there. So anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.